Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and the charts to give you a comprehensive view of the markets. Today, September 17th, 2024, we're diving into the world of Litecoin, a cryptocurrency that's been making headlines lately. The primary focus of today's analysis is the impending halving event, a significant event in Litecoin's history that's expected to impact its price trajectory. Before we delve into the charts, let's take a look at the current news and events surrounding Litecoin. Recent Google searches reveal a surge in interest around Litecoin, with many seeking information on its future prospects, price predictions, and the potential impact of the halving event. The halving event, scheduled for Wednesday, will see the rate of new Litecoin issuance halved, potentially leading to increased scarcity and price appreciation. However, some analysts remain cautious, noting that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and subject to various external factors. While the halving event is a key factor influencing Litecoin's price, it's important to consider other factors like overall market sentiment, regulatory developments, and adoption rates. Now, let's turn our attention to the charts and see what they tell us about the current state of LTCUSD. First, let's take a look at the daily chart, which provides a broader perspective on LTCUSD's price action over time. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that LTCUSD has been on an overall bullish trend for the past several months. However, there are periods of consolidation and pullbacks that are normal in any volatile market. A key support level to watch is around the $60 mark, as LTCUSD has found support at this level in the past. On the other hand, the recent price action suggests that there's potential for LTCUSD to break through the resistance level around $65, which could pave the way for a further bullish run. The halving event could act as a catalyst for this breakout, as increased scarcity could drive demand and push LTCUSD higher. However, it's crucial to remember that market sentiment and external factors can impact price action, so it's always advisable to exercise caution when trading. Now, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to see if we can find any clues about the short-term direction of LTCUSD. The 1-hour chart shows that LTCUSD has been consolidating around the $63 level for the past few days. This suggests that the market is indecisive about the next move, as buyers and sellers are vying for control. A break above the $64 mark could signal a short-term bullish breakout, potentially driven by anticipation for the halving event. However, if LTCUSD fails to break through this resistance level, we could see a short-term pullback towards the support level around $62. The short-term trading opportunities lie in identifying these breakouts and pullbacks, while keeping an eye on the overall trend and news surrounding the halving event. With the halving event looming, the market is likely to be more volatile than usual, so it's essential to use appropriate risk management strategies. Let's take a closer look at the 15-minute chart to gain insight into the most recent price movements of LTCUSD. The 15-minute chart showcases a high degree of volatility, indicating rapid fluctuations in price, which can create opportunities for short-term scalping strategies. However, it's important to be aware that this level of volatility can also lead to rapid losses if not managed carefully. Looking at the recent price action, we can see that LTCUSD has bounced off the support level around $63.50 and is currently attempting to break through the resistance level around $64. This suggests that there's a potential for a short-term bullish breakout, but the market remains indecisive and volatile. It's crucial to monitor these price fluctuations closely and react promptly to any significant movements. Short-term traders can utilize the 15-minute chart to identify these breakouts and pullbacks, but always remember to apply sound risk management principles to avoid significant losses. To gain a more detailed perspective on the current price action, let's narrow down the 1-hour chart to the last 12 hours. This time frame will provide a closer look at the short-term trading opportunities and potential breakouts. Over the past 12 hours, LTCUSD has shown a clear upward trend, breaking through the resistance level around $63.50 and consolidating around the $64 mark. This recent breakout suggests that there's bullish momentum building, potentially influenced by the anticipation for the halving event. However, the market is still volatile, and a pullback to the support level around $63.50 is possible. Traders need to be alert to these short-term fluctuations and be prepared to adjust their strategies based on the market's behavior. The 1-hour timeframe allows traders to focus on these short-term movements and capitalize on the volatility, but again, remember to utilize appropriate risk management practices. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key price levels to watch for in LTCUSD. The most significant support level is around $60, where LTCUSD has found support in the past. The resistance level to watch is around $65, which could be broken through if LTCUSD gains enough bullish momentum. The halving event is likely to act as a catalyst for price volatility and could push LTCUSD higher, especially if the market is already bullish. However, it's crucial to remember that external factors and market sentiment can influence price action, and a bearish correction is still possible. Traders should closely monitor these price levels and be prepared to adjust their strategies based on the market's behavior. Keep an eye out for any news or events that could impact Litecoin's price, as these can provide valuable insights into the market's direction. As the halving event approaches, expect heightened volatility in LTCUSD, so it's critical to utilize sound risk management strategies and trade cautiously.